they're playing, I'm not too worried.
Yeah. Oh, here they come. Or one.
You should have seen them playing up on the deck, jumping all over each other.
You're a good girl. Well, what do you think of that, eh?
They were together on the deck,
Yeah.
just kind of, you know, sniffing and very quiet, and then all of a sudden, boom.
Come on, off you go. Neighbors are gonna love us.